लोगों को लगता होगा कि आप बहुत रूड हो, बट द थिंग इज यू आर जस्ट ऑनेस्ट. The line between being rude and being real is thinner than you think, and today we are going to break it down. Let's being real, the world loves politeness, but being polite and being real are two different things. The moment you share your mind without sugarcoating it, people will label it as rude, arrogant, aggressive, and all that stuff. And when people term your words as rude because you were just not sugarcoating it, you will be known as a rude person. But what I think is rudeness is defense mechanism, especially for those who have who have faced being unheard from years, and now they have just stopped pretending it. Stop pretending to be fake. Let me break down one of my stories. So I've encountered quite a few people in my life who have termed me as a rude person just because I was real, or just because I was saying what's in my head for them and for anyone. And guess what? One of those people is my best friend right now. So basically मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड जो भी है उसने भी मेरे को एक बार चैट में बताया था कि द फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन ऑफ योर्स वाज लाइक कि आप बहुत रूड हो गए, आप मतलब बहुत रूड हो, बट इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी दैट यू आर वेरी रियल एंड यू जस्ट से व्हाट इन योर हार्ट एंड you just do not pretend. And ओके द इयरिंग इज बैक, आई एम सो सॉरी, बट या जो मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है अभी उसने मुझे यही कहा था कि मुझे लगा कि आप बहुत रूड हो एंड एरोगेंट हो, बट द थिंग इज दैट यू आर एक्चुअली रियल एंड यू टेल मी वेयर आई एम एक्चुअली रॉन्ग एंड नॉट जस्ट प्रिटेंड टू बी गुड. And that's the basic difference between being rude and being real. The next perspective which you should have if anybody has termed you as a rude person is that you are not rude, you are just honest because you have set your boundaries. The minute you said no to someone's opinion or you reject someone's opinion, the people will switch their perspective, and now you are the problem, you are difficult, you are not cooperating, you are rude. But my dear friend, you are not rude, you are protecting your self-respect. You are setting your boundaries. अगर कोई भी चीज़ है जो आपको पसंद नहीं आ रही है, it's not matching your opinion, your mindset, your lifestyle, then it's completely fine. You should say no when it is required. When something is not aligning with your mindset, you can say no. And if people are terming you as an arrogant person, or you are difficult, you're not cooperative, let them cut off. If your mindset is not aligning with their mindset, it is not a problem. It should not be a problem. It is just a perspective. Maybe आप अलग सोच रहे हो, वो अलग सोच रहे हो, and if still they termed you as difficult, they term you as not cooperative, cut them off because they are not the real ones. As you're not rude here, you are just putting out your perspective, you're just saying no to something. नो नो बोलना बहुत ऐसे ले लेते हैं कि लोग इसने मना क्यों कर दिया. कोई प्लान बन रहा है, कुछ भी चीज है, आपको वो सही नहीं लग रही है, आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, अगर आपने नहीं बोल दिया तो दैट्स नॉट अ बिग डील, इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल. येस एंड नो आर जस्ट टू सेपरेट आंसर. जो आपको सही लग रहा है आपको वो करना चाहिए, नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज दूसरे को बुरा लग जाएगा या दूसरे का मन रखने के लिए आप कुछ करते रहोगे, बार बार रिपीट करते रहोगे उसी लूप को, then you will be the problem, then you will be in the problem. And people who are always benefiting from your lack of boundaries will always make you feel guilty for having them. अगर कोई आपको आपका पीस प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए रूड बता रहा है, you know what, let them, because those who understand, who respect your boundaries will never misunderstood you. The very popular misconception is that being rude is being mean. That doesn't make sense. See, there's a difference in being direct and being disrespectful. You can say a single thing in many different ways. Now, it's upon you that you want to go direct or you want to go disrespectfully. For example, if you say, I do not agree with you, that's okay, that's totally respectful. But if you say, you're stupid, I don't agree with you, that's disrespectful. You should not do that. But people often mix that up. If they hear a truth and do not like how it sounds, they call it as rude, which is completely wrong. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आप एक्चुअली ट्रू हो और रूड नहीं हो, तो मेक श्योर करो कि आप किसी को रिस्पेक्टफुली अपना ओपिनियन रख रहे हो एंड नॉट डिसरिस्पेक्टिंग द डिग्निटी ऑफ अदर्स. यू कैन कम स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, यू कैन कम रिस्पेक्टफुली एंड से योर पर्सपेक्टिव. सो व्हेनेवर यू ट्राइंग टू से समथिंग और हैव योर ओन पर्सपेक्टिव, जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आप रिस्पेक्टफुल हो और डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल मत बनो. रूड इज जस्ट अ सिनोनियम ऑफ डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल, बिकॉज जो आप किसी से रूड बात कर रहे हो आप उन्हें एक तरीके से डिसरिस्पेक्ट ही दे रहे हो. तो अगर आपको अपना ओपिनियन रखना है आप रिस्पेक्टफुली भी रख सकते हो, एंड अगर आप रिस्पेक्टफुली रख रहे हो एंड देन स्टिल दे आर नॉट ओबेइंग दैट, then they are not good, because at this point they are bad. So I hope कि अब तक आपको डिफरेंस समझ आ गया हो being rude and being real, and अब आपको डिसाइड करना है कि आपको किसके साथ जाना है. अब बहुत लोग मुझे ये कहते हैं कि अगर हम नो रखते हैं, अपना ओपिनियन रखते हैं, तो पीपल कट यू ऑफ और अवॉइड। बट एट द सेम टाइम अगर हम हमेशा हाँ बोलते रहो, येस यू आर राइट, येस 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 येस, एवरी टाइम यू जस्ट से येस, यू ऑलवेज गो विद अदर्स ओपिनियन, देन एक टाइम आएगा कि आपका वो लोग फायदा उठाएंगे। यू आर जस्ट अलाइन विद देम इन एवरीथिंग, नो मैटर व्हाट इट इज, एंड यू विल बी टर्म्ड एज पीपल प्लीजर। सो मेक श्योर यू हैव दैट बैलेंस इन यू कि कहाँ पे आपको हाँ बोलना है, कहाँ पे ना बोलना है, एंड किसी की फीलिंग हर्ट ना करो। आई ऑलवेज से बी ऑनेस्ट, ऑनेस्टी इज एक्चुअली द बेस्ट पॉलिसी, and if you are honest, it will never harm you or the other person. But I think at a certain point of time they will realize that you were just true and you were just stating the facts. Whatever you said was truth and was right on your perspective, and if they are still terming you as a fake person, or if they are still terming you as someone who is rude, just cut them off because they are not your people. Trust me, they are actually not your people. मेरी लाइफ में ये हो चुका है, मुझे पता है हाउ इट फील्स, बट ट्रस्ट मी, जब आप अपना ओपिनियन रखोगे ना, जब आप अपना माइंडसेट अपने आप को प्रायोरिटी दोगे, एवरीथिंग विल फेल इन प्लेस। आपकी लाइफ अपने आप अच्छी होनी शुरू हो जाएगी। गुड पीपल आपकी लाइफ में आएंगे, एंड यू हैव टू कीप योर एनर्जी हाई, एंड फॉर दैट you have to be real to yourself and to everyone around you, because being too nice is always not a good thing. This is a big misconception that being too nice is a good thing. No, it is not at all. If you are too nice to someone all the time, they will take benefits from you, and at some point of time they will use you for them, and उस समय पे ना आप खुद के लिए और सबके लिए अराउंड यू बहुत टॉक्सिक बन जाओगे। आपकी एनर्जी बहुत नेगेटिव हो जाएगी, आपको खुद समझ नहीं आएगा आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप पीपल प्लीजर बन गए, विच इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग। और आप इस वीडियो पे टैप करा है, कुछ सोच के करा होगा कि आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ होगा, कुछ तो आपके माइंडसेट में होगा कि हाँ मैं भी कभी रूड, मैंने अपना पर्सपेक्टिव रखा तो लोगों ने मुझे रूड माना और कुछ माना। सो जस्ट सिट एंड थिंक, एक बार सोचो कि क्या आप एक्चुअली रूड थे या क्या आप एक्चुअली सिर्फ ऑनेस्ट थे, and that's when you realize ki actually where is the problem. If you are the problem, if you think you were rude and you were disrespecting them, say sorry, work on yourself. And if you think you were just honest, you were just stating the facts, you were just telling what's in your mind, your opinion, then you do not have to be sorry. You do not have to apologize for being unapologetically yourself. Now that was the most simple way I can state that. Another thing which I have come across is that when you are blunt, people think you are heartless, but that's not the truth. Some of the most people who are termed as rude are the most loyal, are the most protective, and are the most honest people I know. They don't fake emotions and they don't say things just to please others. And it's very simple. A fake friend will keep saying lies just to make you happy, but the real one say the truth even if it stings. If you don't like that truth, that's not theirs problem, that's your discomfort, that you can't take the truth, you can't take the facts, and you can't take something which is against your opinion. Actually, that's where the breakage happen, the misconceptions and the miscommunication happen, and things start going wrong. Just go for the things that you think actually are right and actually will bring virtue to your life. So ask this question to yourself: are people mad at you for what you said, or they are mad at you because what you said is something they do not want to hear? And with this, we are coming towards the end of this video. And the next time if someone said that you are rude, think that you were rude or you were just honest. ओके दैट्स इट। आई होप यू गाइज फाउंड दिस वीडियो रिलेटेबल, एंड अगर आपके साथ ये रिलेट हुआ, अगर आपको भी ऐसा लगता है कि लोग आपको गलत समझते हैं या आपने कभी किसी को गलत समझा, एंड यू आर जस्ट ऑनेस्ट, यू आर नॉट रूड, सो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स क्या सिचुएशन थी, क्या था, एंड आपका क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है इस चीज को लेके। लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स, आई वुड लव टू रीड एंड आई वुड लव टू रिस्पॉन्स टू यू ऑल। एंड मेरे साथ तो ये बहुत बहुत बार हुआ है लाइफ में। आई वॉज ऑलवेज टर्म्ड एज अ रूड पर्सन इन माई लाइफ, बट I know that I'm not rude, I'm just honest. And when it comes to goodness and when it's come to be a good person, I can actually go to any extent. I love bringing smile to my close one people. I have done a lot of things. It actually go vice versa, जैसा आप behave करोगे वैसा आपको behavior मिलेगा. And yeah, I hope आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा हो. आपके जो भी views है मेरे को please comments में बताना. And yeah, that's it. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा, relatable लगा तो do like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from my side to yours. Next, I'm gonna meet you in this video, which is a cheat code for your dream 20s. So if you want your dream 20s, go watch this because I've shared some really good secrets that you can use like me to make your dream 20s. So yeah, I'm gonna meet you in this one. Okay, bye.